looking for natural Easter decorations or simply a spring topiary centerpiece? How about making a simple ivy DIY topiary basket? A few weeks ago we did a heart-shaped topiary on a simple two-dimensional wire frame. This time we're adding a dimension for a fully 3D basket. It's another easy topiary for beginners, so if you've been wondering how to make a topiary or how to make a topiary frame, you're in the right place. Stick around. For this simple Easter-inspired topiary, you'll need a plant, of course. You could use artificial. I'm using live. In fact, originally I was planning to use another plant, but stuck inside as I am under the current circumstances, I'm simply reusing the ivy houseplant that we used in the previous video on the heart-shaped plant. What you're looking for are long trails that you can wrap around the wire, and of course this ivy is perfect for that, so hence the reuse. A lot of people recommend gauge 8 wire. I find it a little unwieldy. I'm using 1mm copper wire that I have on hand, which on the contrary is a little too flimsy. Something in between would be perfect. You could also wrangle into shape a wire hanger if that's what you have on hand. Using the curve of the coil, start the topiary frame by shaping a large circle to form the handle and base of the basket, leaving a little extra wire on the ends to stick in the soil. Shape another circle from the wire to form the top of the bowl of the basket. You can attach them with tiny hair clips or wire twists if you need to. You can always remove them later once you've added the ivy and it holds them in place. Now cut 2 more pieces of wire to form the spokes for the sides of the basket. Start by wrapping a handle with the 2 longest trails, first one way, then the other. Then continue around the base of the basket, working the ivy up the spokes and around the top before weaving it in and out of the spokes. Clip in place where needed. And voila! It's as easy as that. As it fills out, just keep tucking and weaving, and be sure to rotate it so that it gets even exposure. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more from Velvet Totes, and I certainly hope you will, please hit subscribe and that little bell so you will be notified when our next videos come out. In the meantime, all likes and comments are greatly appreciated. They really help a small channel like mine. So thank you for stopping by, and see you next time.